Man, we've been here for about a day or so. We try to go back to that hotel, but the guy kicked us out. So we better just stay here for now on. Hey, sir. You, sir, over there. Yes. We're closing up. It's election. It's going to be election night. We're having the election here from 6 to 8. Wait, when do polls open? Like right now, this is a library. So either leave or we'll kick you out. And you'll never be able to come back here. Okay? Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. You're welcome. Man, did he say something about election? Like, wait, there's a voting booth. Hey, sir? Yeah, sir. Sir. Yes. Can I vote? Are you registered here? Let me go register. I registered quite a long time ago. You look young, sir. What was the first election that you voted in? I think sometime in the 1950s. Sir, do you dye your hair? Or what do you do? Oh, my name's Jack Kennedy. Nice to meet you. Kennedy's a nice name. Your friend with the mustache. Hey, I have the name. Yeah, rude guy with the mustache. Can you, are you guys together? Like, meaning, like, driving together? So, we're just, we're just together as we're gonna walk, like, down the street. Look, we're gonna register to vote. While we're here, may I ask, how do you register to vote? We got computers over there that can register you. What's your friend's name? Theo Roosevelt. I prefer TR. TR. Theo stands for Theodore, right? Yes, indeed. Roosevelt's a nice name. You know, Theodore Roosevelt was president, you know? Kind of dresses like him, too. Yeah, I know. He's kind of into Theodore Roosevelt. Theodore Roosevelt is probably his favorite president. Then you got this guy with the beard and hat. He kind of looks like Abraham Lincoln. Oh, his father was from Lincoln, Nebraska. So his father changed his last name to Lincoln. And you see, his dad wasn't the president, so he said, what if we name him Abraham? So he did. Oh, that's really cool. He dresses like him too. Well, we're kind of like historians, you know? Jack. What'd you just say to me? Jack. My name's Jacob, not Jack. Well, it's just a saying, you know? No, President Biden says that. President Biden, is he a current president, or is he the current president or the former president? He's the current president. What's his first name? Joe. Joe? Well, Joe Biden. Huh. What did he do before he entered office? Well, everyone knows he was Barack Obama's vice president. And then he was, before that, he was Senator of Delaware. He grew up in Pennsylvania, but when he was really young, he moved to Delaware. That's interesting. Well, we're gonna go. Can we use your computer to go vote and register? Yes, of course. But as long as you don't vote on it, we are fine with it. Alrighty, thanks. Bye. Okay, so John F. Kennedy. Oh, forgot the D. No, this is crazy technology. Maybe even the voting will be like this. Kamala Harris, the Democrat. Donald Trump and J.D. Vance, Republican. Robert F. Kennedy. I think I remember what that guy said about copying and pasting. Libertarian. What's the Republican done? I already know I'm voting for a Democrat. Hey, Theodore! You want to cast your vote after registering? Sure. Well, I don't have a middle name, so I'm gonna just put it as none. And Roosevelt. I could supposedly get a middle name. So hard to type on this contraption. Kamala D. Harris and Tim Walz, Democrat. Donald J. Trump and J.D. Vance, Republican. Robert F. Kennedy and Nicole Shannon. We the people. We the... Huh? Doesn't make any sense. Jill Stein and Butch Ware Green. Green Party. Chase Oliver, Mike Termat, Libertarian, Green. Free party. What is this? Oh, I put an S in there. Leave. Peace. Social justice and democracy. I think that's correct. I think we should always fight for them. Maybe.